Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I love how the fridge decided to get loud right as I started filming. Anyways, can you guys guess what I'm making today? You probably already know by the title and the thumbnail of this video, but I'm going to try to make Crumbl cookies at home because my mom won't buy them for me. And honestly, I'm not even gonna buy them for myself because I'm not trying to get addicted to the weekly flavors, okay? You know how much money it would be to buy them every week? I don't know, so let's try to make them at home and see if they taste the same. Ugh, I literally have the worst cramps today, but what do I decide to do? Film a baking video. Anyways, if you can't already tell by the ingredients I have on here, I'm gonna be making s'mores Crumbl cookies because I wanted to try them, but unfortunately I didn't try that weekend. It's already passed. No, my nail just popped off. So first we need to melt a stick of butter. And this recipe wants me to do it slowly on a pan so it can get brown. We're not doing all of that. First of all, I don't even have a stick of butter. I just have this. Hey Siri, how many cups is in a stick of butter?
Or half a cup in total.
Okay, so we'll do half a cup of this butter. Ooh. Ew. Now we need half a cup of brown sugar and half a cup of regular pure cane sugar. Why do we need both of these? This is kind of sweet. And I think she said to add light brown sugar. Oh, okay, good. This is light brown sugar. Because for a second, I was like, this is about to be way too sweet. Then again, a lot of people say Crumbl cookies are too sweet for their liking, so it's on brand. Just kidding, Crumbl. Don't cancel me, please. In fact, sponsor me. Brown sugar looks so fun to play with. It looks like kinetic sand. At the end of this process, I think I'm gonna have my mom try this and see if she thinks it's better than Crumbl or if it's just as good. I also have the idea to give my neighbors some of these. Maybe it'll help me get to know them better since we just moved here. But at the same time, what if they think they taste awful and then that's their impression of me? That's embarrassing. I don't know about that. Comment down below if I should give some to my neighbors or not. So we got our butter and sugar mixture in there. And specifically use a wooden spoon to combine well. All right. Now we have some grainy butter here. Kind of looks like caramel. Look at that. You know what I just realized? I don't bake a lot of things from scratch. Usually I just use like a box or just something from the store. So this is kind of different for me, kind of fun. Mix in 1 large egg. Should we do brown or white? Well, I have more white than brown, so we'll just get rid of these, I guess. No, I got a shell. This is so... Okay, we're gonna set this aside and start on the actual s'mores flavor. Guys, look at this. I got some long Nike socks. And usually I always get short socks, but I wanted something different. Do you guys think they're cute? Let's clean up a little bit so it doesn't get too hectic around here. I literally don't even know what I'm doing right now. Okay, so we're gonna need about 4 graham crackers, I think. And we gotta crush these up. In my house, our method is to put whatever we're crushing up in a paper towel. And you just grab an object and go ham. All the anger you got, just use it on this. That's the best way to do it. I need 1 1/3 cup of flour, graham cracker crumbs, 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda, but I only have baking powder. Oops. I don't know how this is gonna work out. 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Ooh. This is what it looks like before I mix. I don't know about you guys, but I have high hopes for these. If they don't turn out well, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Either cry, be mad, not care, we'll see. But right now, like this video if you think the cookies are gonna turn out well. It's looking pretty good to me, but I also thought the mixture was gonna be more dry, so I don't know if I didn't add enough flour or what's going on here. But it's time to add in the fun part, which are the chocolate chips. First, let me turn on the oven. 3/4 cup of chocolate chips. Mix that in. This reminds me of that one episode of Dora. Bate, bate, chocolate. I don't know why, but that's literally engraved in my mind. Ooh, this looks really cute. But they're kind of struggling to mix in there. Maybe it's just me struggling. I don't know about you, but this looks exquisite. I could just eat it right now. Tell me you don't want a bite of that. But we're not done. I'm tired, but we're not done. This parchment paper is a lifesaver. Like, once you use this, you're never gonna go back to foil or anything else. I'm supposed to be able to scoop out 8 large cookies out of this, but I don't know if I even have enough space on here to make 8. We'll go for 6. Lighting was way too bright there, I think. You know what? Actually, the texture of this dough feels just right. Oh, I really want to get this part done because, oh my gosh, I'm in pain. All the pain in my heart. Not that. Finally, the marshmallows come into play. So I think I'm gonna put one on top of each of these and kind of just squish it in so it fits in there nicely. Ooh, that's so cute. This better actually look like Crumbles. Cidrina the baker. I already know this is gonna turn out so great. Just look at this. It looks like I work at Crumbl. Masterpiece. Ooh. Okay, well, let's not drop the masterpiece. Now we put them in the oven for 10 minutes. Bye. One of the worst things about cooking is how much mess is left behind afterwards. Bread is gonna be clean in 3, 2, 1. And there we go, it's all nice and clean. I just put the cookies in and I'm now realizing that I forgot to put in the vanilla extract. Oh my gosh, okay. Well, doesn't it just add vanilla flavor? I guess we don't really need that, right? Let's just pray that these cookies come out well because I've just had enough. Okay, I took them out of the oven. Here's what they look like. I think they look pretty good. I don't know what happened to that one. For some reason, the marshmallow slid off, but it's okay. Once they're cooled down, I'm gonna drizzle some chocolate on the top to really give it that crumble look. I'm back in bed, baby. Time to drizzle on the chocolate. I mixed in some olive oil just to make it more runny. That's a little tip for you guys so that the chocolate isn't too dry and crusty. I'm not gonna lie though, there's a lot of sweetness coming from all of this. It's kind of too much. But hopefully it still tastes good in the end. By the way, I changed my outfit a little bit because I was overheating. The long sleeve was too much. Let's see how good my drizzling skills are. Okay. Pretty good actually. I like that. Next one. Hold on, I want you guys to get a close-up of this. Okay, ready? Next one. I'm putting a lot of chocolate on this one to cover up the mistake. Look at that, professional. Great. All right, before I try this, I just want to say that I think I did a great job. Presentation is everything 10 out of 10. It looks very similar to Crumbl except for the fact that they're a little bit smaller, but the thickness looks just right. If I came to you guys with this, would you think it's from Crumbl? I don't know. All right, my only concern is that it doesn't have enough flavor and that it might be undercooked, but wait, that actually looks pretty good, I think. I deep soak this food with the blood of Jesus. 3, 2, 1. It kind of tastes like Crumbl, but then at the same time it doesn't. This is good, but I think it could have used that vanilla extract. But what makes up for it is all the sweetness that's going on top. Not bad. I feel gourmet. Maybe I can give these to my neighbors. These are professional. I want my mom to try this. Mommy! Why do I keep putting this light on? It looks so bad. Sorry about the lighting changes. That's just me not paying attention, but Mommy! I have some cookies for you to try. First, look at them. Do they look like Crumbl cookies?
A little bit, yeah.
Okay, I guess you could eat that one.
Actually, this looks like there's a one Crumbl that looks like that.
Yeah, s'mores. The s'mores one.
Yeah.
Just try a bite, and you'll tell me if they're better than Crumbl or if it's like the same. Chew it down a little bit.
This is the same as the peanut butter one, just without the peanut butter.
Peanut butter? So basically you're saying it's like Crumbl? Wow!
The texture, but it's not peanut butter.
Okay, but that means I did a pretty good job here. I'm proud. The only thing is I wish it had more of a flavor, like more of a sweet flavor to it. I forgot to add vanilla extract, but oh well. These are super cute. I'm actually proud of myself. I don't make a lot of baked goods from scratch, but these are from scratch and I'm proud. They look great and taste pretty good. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, please get this video to 5,000 views and let's say 200 likes if you guys want a part 2 where I try to make a different flavor of Crumbl cookies. Because this was super fun and I hope you guys enjoyed this. So yes, 5,000 views and 200 likes. Let's see if we can get there. And that's it for today's video. You already know what to do. Make sure to give this video a big giant thumbs up, subscribe down below, share this video, hit that notification bell, and do not forget to check out my Instagram and my TikTok, both at Peachy Queen Official. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Love y'all. Bye.